Here we have a project of an installation of 1,100 square feet of Mannington Adura Max, Aspen ash, the kitchen, living room, hall, and 2 bedrooms. We had to pick up the ceramic tile here in the kitchen area and level that floor and continue it out into a hallway, which is here. We had to pick up the existing laminate, carpet in all the bedrooms to try to get an even transition and flow. Here's partially starting the installation in the living room area over the plywood floor and going forward. Here's it partially installed in the hallway area, continuing forward. And here are some shots of the completed installation. Hallway, kitchen area, more of the kitchen. There in the dining room, living room area. So this is the completed project with just a little under 1,100 square feet of Mannington Adura Apex Aspen ash color, all on this first floor. Ran it down all the hallway. Finished the kitchen after picking the ceramic tile. All in the living area. Master bedroom. Second bedroom. Picking up all the carpet, prepping the floor, installing all the appropriate moldings. So if you want to see additional videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see all our categories of installations. And at the end of this video, click on the playlist. And also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.